Hi guys, welcome to Always in High Heels. Today's tutorial is going to be on makeup that comes in sticks. We're playing with so many great products today. I've got an eyeshadow stick from Mercier. We have a contour stick from Fenty Beauty, a multiple stick that we're using for blush from Nars, a Sephora collection highlighter glow stick, and a lip pencil also from Nars. Okay, to get started, I already went ahead and put on foundation and a little bit of concealer under my eyes, mostly because this is a tutorial on makeup and sticks and I don't have either one of those in sticks. Also, we will be using mascara that's not in a stick because that would be weird, and a little bit of brow gel just to finish off the look. And I guess I could use brow pencil, but I just don't feel like it's the same. So a big benefit to makeup that comes in sticks is, one, it's smaller and easier to travel with. You don't necessarily have to have a brush for everything or a whole eyeshadow palette. So today I'm going to be blending everything out with my Beauty Blender instead of a brush. Mostly just to show you how easy it is. If you've never used a Beauty Blender before, you can check out my how to use a Beauty Blender video. Another great benefit to makeup that comes in sticks is that they're just really easy. It's a really great beginner product for either, teenagers in your life, or just if you're not really familiar with makeup. It's also really great for summertime and days that you just don't want to put a lot of effort into it. Okay, first of all, I'm going to use this Mercier Caviar eyeshadow stick in Moonlight. It's a really pretty basic shimmer. I do just on my lid. Just gonna blend it out all over my lid. Just even it out with your finger. Not usually a big fan of using my fingers to spread makeup, but with these cream products it's pretty easy and I don't think you can do too much damage. Easy. Eyeshadow is done. Now you could take multiple sticks, you could follow up a stick with powder eyeshadow, blend it out, make it a little bit more of a smoky eye, but if we're going for an easy outdoor summer quick look, the one color is just fine. Okay, next up, I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Amber, which is the lightest shade of contour shades that they have. And I'm going to take my contour just from the little edge of my ear here, down about halfway down my cheekbone, kind of where you see that shadow from the light. Draw a little line. The other side, just draw a little line. Take your Beauty Blender, wet, and just buff it out. Just tap. I take the extra kind of down along my chin and just blend. Sometimes you have to press a little bit more, like kind of scooch it along more than you do if it was a powder. Okay. All right, now I have my Nars multiple stick in Riviera. I really love this bright pink color. I like to keep my blushes more pink than coral. I just feel like it looks great on my skin and just what I like best. So I'm going to take this just kind of right along, if you smile, right along the line where the sun hits, kind of where you get a sunburn. Couple little dots. I take our Beauty Blender again. Now, if you're really wanting to, save space in your makeup bag as you travel, or if you're just really not a product kind of person, I'm going to add a little bit more of this actually. I love this multiple stick concept because you could use it for just about anything. You can use it on your cheeks, you can use it on your eyes, you can use it on your lips, and then you've got 3 products in one, which not only helps with cost, but also helps save space in your makeup bag and can help you get ready faster. And if you're always late like me, fast is really great. Okay, next we have the Sephora Glow Stick in Moonlight. Just up a little bit. Now highlighter, I'm going to take from about the top middle of my eyebrow to the top under of my eye. Top part of my cheekbone, right under my eye. About halfway around. Move my hair out of the way for you. So you're kind of going to get where you get glowy in the summer. Maybe a little bit when you see yourself sweat. Or you get a little bit of that sun kiss. I'm going to blend that right out. Other side, same thing. You can use as much or as little highlighter as you want. I prefer a highlighter that's more shiny or shimmery than glittery. I don't feel like super glittery highlight is natural. I just prefer a more natural look. Okay, so that is all of our face done with Stix. I'm gonna finish up with this lipstick. It's by Nars, Sex Machine. Really like it. Weird to say, but it's a great color. I will say lip pencils like this are really great for people who are a little bit nervous about lipstick, not really a big fan. One of my best friends is a little lipstick averse, and I love buying her pencils because she wears them and they're super easy to use. A lot of them are a little bit more sheer than normal lipsticks. I think this one might be a satin. That's a velvet matte. But the satin ones will be a little bit more sheer and a little bit glossy like, and it just kind of makes it easier if you're new to the concept. Also, if you are new to applying lipstick or you just want to learn how to apply lipstick, check out my video on how to apply red lipstick. Obviously, it's the same process no matter what color you are using. So to finish up this look, I am going to grab an eyeshadow or an eyebrow spoolie. I'm just gonna hit my eyebrows really quickly. Give them some shape. I'm gonna take my Anastasia brow gel. Just give them a little love. And then last step in any makeup routine ever is mascara. I'm using my all-time favorite, which is Hourglass Caution mascara. It's called like Extreme Black. And I just really love this mascara. I'm rotating the wand because each side of this wand has a different shape to it. So it just helps you get all those little baby lashes or spots that you missed. Other eye. And that's it, guys. That's a full face makeup tutorial using Stick products. I, again, really love them for summer, super easy looks. They're great for beginners too. Just very simple, very easy, and perfect for travel if you've got limited space in your makeup bag. So thanks for hanging out with me today at Always in High Heels. Let me know in the comments below if there's something else you want to see. Like, subscribe, follow along. I love hanging out with you guys. Thanks for spending some time with me. See you next time.